Hi guys, where I am right now, you wouldn't believe it because this is an amazing location, but I'm going to take you through it. I'm already inside, so entrance, and then this is a small toilet, very clean. My wardrobe. What I love about this place is the fact that it has an iron and yes, enough hanger for my dress. So I'm going to iron my clothes and put that together. I have a roommate anyway. And this is me. Hello. Hi guys. This is me in Newcastle. Yes. This is me. Yeah, so now we're going to the main toilet. This is what it looks like. This is so good. Clean. It's got its soap. It's got a soap. Yeah. The shower. I like that soap. It got shampoo, shower gel. This is hand wash. Don't waste water. It's got this mini cup. This was supposed to be a room for me and my kids, but they didn't come. And that's fine. Yes, that's fine. Got that one. I think I'm going to use this one's here. I'm going to take this towards tomorrow because we're sharing the room. Yep. Someone is... This is the bed. It's actually a king size bed. Double size. Is this double or... Yeah. We've got TV here. That one here. And then this is what it looks like. Isn't this so good? So cute. And that is me. I'm waiting for my partner because it was supposed to be me and my kids, but they are not here. Yes. So let's let that go. And this is the view outside. The moment you've been waiting for is here. Why don't I view? Look at the view outside, guys. It's going to be better tomorrow. I'll open the door tomorrow. Window, rather. It's really hot in here. I need to control this heat. And yeah. That's all we have for now. Yes, that's all we have. And yeah. We are here for a concert. We're invited to minister for a concert and God help us. I'm so happy that they did this for us. This is so good. It's so good actually. It's actually really, really good. So unusual. And I'm grateful to God that I participated. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is just a review of the hotel and I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, okay? And yes, until the next one. Bye for now. Bye. I've never had mushrooms before. They're really nice.